everyone. So my name's Simon. I'm one of the senior account managers here at eToro. My role within the business, I look after some of our higher equity clients from the UK and Irish regions. And has anyone here actually heard about eToro? Have they come across us before? A few people? Okay. And for those that put their hand up, have an account here with us? You do? Okay, fantastic. Well, for the benefit of those that haven't heard about us, just a bit of an overview about the company. So we were formed in 2007, and in that time, we've grown to have over 10 million registered users worldwide, 140 countries. Operationally, over 500 employees worldwide. Also, offices in Tel Aviv, Cyprus, Australia, China. I think there's a couple in China now. There is 2 in China. Most recently within the US, and of course here in London, in Canary Wharf, where I sit. In terms of assets on our platform, over 1,500 at this moment in time, ranging from stocks, indices, commodities, currencies, exchange-traded funds, and crypto assets. In terms of how you can actually invest in our platform, 3 main ways. Manual trading for those that are happy with making the decisions themselves. Portfolios, which are built by our in-house team. They essentially are baskets of assets grouped together, and they revolve around a certain theme or idea, such as crypto assets. We have copy portfolios built around renewable energy, mobile payments. There's some of our newer ones, cybersecurity, and some of the more traditional ones as well, such as banking, technology stocks, food and drink, and travel. And the great thing about this, the copy portfolios, is that rather than having to actually find the stocks yourself on our platform, these are pre-built portfolios that you can invest into straight away in a few clicks. And finally, we have copy. So copy is one of our unique products. Essentially, how it works, you as a user can come onto our platform and find any one of our popular investors to copy. So there's a range of stats, different markets that these people trade, and with a few clicks, you can set up to exactly mirror what they're doing on their own account. So when they open a position on their own account, the same will happen on the amount that you decide to copy them with. When they close a position, the same position will close on your copy. So it's a direct mirror in that respect. And perhaps one of the great things about it, these guys are actively looking at what assets to be trading with the trends in the market at the time, acting almost like a fund manager. Whereas where they perhaps differ is that these guys are actually managing their own portfolio and investing into these assets. They have real skin in the game. And who are the people actually joining us and trading on our platform? Well, over 2018, most of the people coming to us, on average, were male, average age 36, IT services, finance, sales and marketing as a background. In terms of their first actions, though, it was mainly about crypto. And I'll go as far as saying in 2018, we were probably the top place in the UK, if not Europe, to buy crypto. It was predominantly that. 7 out of 10 people, their first action was to invest into a crypto asset on our platform. Over time, though, going forward into this year, it has shifted somewhat, partly due to conditions in the market, in the crypto markets, but also due to some of the new campaigns, substantial sums of money. And I've had clients over 2018, some of our elite pop investors, through our pop investor program, taking in excess of $20,000. And this is on top of their own profits that they're making on their own accounts. This is completely separate to what they're doing on their own trading. Just want to make that clear. And looking at February, so these are the most recent payments that we've sent out to our elite popular investors. The average was just over $4,500, which, I don't know about you guys, but it'll help me certainly supplement my income for sure. Obviously, some elite popular investors earned a bit more than that. And 2 stories that I would like to share with you today about a couple of our UK PIs, One Girl and Jay Nemesis. One Girl actually came to us over about 6 years ago now. Just tired of the traditional fund manager, wealth manager, and decided to do it herself with the aid of her husband. So them 2 together opened an account on eToro. One Girl was the one who was the driving force behind that, so to speak. She managed the portfolio, and in the time being with us, she's just been trading mainly US stocks and has gained a significant following. She has over 16,000 followers on the platform at this moment in time. I think the great thing for her is because she is a stay-at-home mum as well, she's able to trade, benefit from the Popular Investor program, while still being able to look after our children as well. So there is that flexibility, that work-life balance there for her. With Jay, Jay Nemesis is arguably our most successful popular investor. Some of you may have seen him in various publications on Bloomberg, Evening Standard. He's had a few pieces in there, and also the Daily Telegraph recently. But Jay actually, in 2018, left his job to just focus purely on our popular investor, or being a popular investor, I should say. And in this time, he's also hired people to help him with his work on our platform in terms of the content delivery, and also external media work that he's now doing. And he's really used eToro as a platform to build a brand for himself. And this really brings me on to the real reason that I'm here today, is to talk about our latest campaign, is to get Britain investing again. And I think for us as Brits, when it comes to talking about the investments we have, we're perhaps not as enthusiastic as our neighbours or our close associates, shall we say, across the pond in the US. You know, they seem to be a bit more open to talking about what they're invested in, the investments they're making, whereas us, we tend to keep our cards very close to the chest. We're here to really get Britain excited about investing again, and how we plan to do that, two ways really. The first is just removing the main barriers to investing, reducing the fees and the charges. And the second is to really get people connected with the brands and the companies that they care about and they're passionate about. So what we're doing very, very, very soon, we'll be introducing 0% commission on stock trading on our platform. Okay? And also at this moment in time, coupled with that, we're currently absorbing stamp duty on UK stocks also. So if you do want to get involved and be the first to know when we do go live with 0% commission on real stocks, you can visit this address at the bottom, stocks.etoro.com. It takes 30 seconds to register your email and get notified. In doing so also, you'll be in with a chance to win £10,000 to put into your eToro account for you to trade real stocks when we do go live with 0% commission. Okay? And there was independent research done comparing us when we do go live with 0% commission to some of our other platforms within the share dealing industry. It was done over us compared to 9 platforms, 3 price points across a variety of markets. We looked at UK stocks, US stocks, and German stocks. 3 price points, £1,000 position, £10,000, and £100,000 position. So as an example here, just taking this table, if I was to buy 3 stocks £1,000 each on eToro compared to the likes of Hargreaves Lansdown, IG, Halifax, you can see on average we're over 47% cheaper. And you know, these are real stocks. They're not CFDs, contracts for difference. They are real stocks that you are buying on our platform. And you know, reduced fees like that, you know, you're saving hundreds, if not thousands, over the course of the year. So really the 2 key takeaways for today from us, if you do think you're a good investor, join us, earn a second income, perhaps a primary income. Visit this email address, or send an email to this email address, I should say, ukpi@etoro.com. You can also see us out on our stand. We are stand 69, so we do have some material you can take home with you today, a bit more information about the Popular Investor Program itself. And if you are investing in stocks elsewhere, join us, save money. Again, go to stocks.etoro.com, register your email address to be notified exactly when we do go live with 0% commission, and be in the chance to win £10,000 to have in your eToro account to trade real stocks when we go live. And don't just take my word for it. See who's talking about us in the media. And if you do have any questions about anything that I've covered here today, please come and see me now. You can send an email to me also. I'll respond straight away. Or come and see me out at the stand along with my colleagues. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have. That concludes me for today. Enjoy the rest of the show.